Hey, good morning, everyone. Why there are less people today? 17 candidates. Am I audible first? Guys, am I audible? Okay. Okay, I just wanted someone to share their screen because I don't want to type the code. I just wanted you to do the code from your side. I'll just guide you on how to do. So probably we'll start with the portal implementation from Angular. Anyone is there to share the screen and write the code, something like that. Oh, okay, Sakshan, sure. If there is a background noise, then probably we will not be able to. Mm, okay, Girdhar. No one is there. Hmm? Okay, Sakshan.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Sakshan. Yeah.
A screen share is disabled.
Okay, now you can do that. Okay, do you have the setup for the Angular project already?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Okay. Um, can you just create one Angular project with name Hunger Savior Portal? Okay. So first of all, what you can simply do, section. So delete the existing parent and child folders. No, 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 no. One second, one second. Okay, fine, fine. No problem, no problem. Select the right file and delete it. Okay, yeah. And also parent and component, parent and child component, you can delete it from here. Yes. Okay. So now the other thing is, just go to the terminal. Just go to the terminal and yeah. And what you can actually do over here. So ng generate auth auth /auth. So we are actually going to create auth folder and inside that auth module and everything. Yeah. ng, no, no, no. ng generate module, I said. Do control C. Yeah. Auth /auth. Yeah, press enter. Okay. Now go to the auth module. Yeah. So here what you can simply do, now actually do, can you just delete that auth folder directly? We'll do some other thing. Yeah, select that. No, 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 no. First select it. Don't delete it directly. First select it. Not that, the left one, the left folder. Yeah, delete it, man. Okay. So can you just do upward arrow in the terminal, and also space, hyphen routing. Yeah, routing. hyphen routing. Press enter now. Yes. So you do have two things right now. Now can you just do upward arrow again and delete hyphen routing, and instead of nggm do nggc. That's it. Press enter. No, don't do that. Yeah. Okay. So now you have all the components. Okay. So now can you just go inside the auth routing module? Yeah. So here, what you can actually do. So right now we do have app routing module, correct? Yeah, we do have app routing module, and we do have something called app module, right? So now the scenario is, let's say I just wanted to load a component from the app routing module. So can you do the same to develop, to generate dashboard components also? So just use the same convention. I will tell you what needs to be done. Yeah. I think probably you do have. Did I say navigation first of all? What is navigation, my friend? Delete that. I think we are getting one extra folder. Can you just delete everything? Auth also. Auth also delete it. Delete it. I think auth forward slash auth is not really required. Just do one thing because I'm. Yeah, delete the auth also. Delete that auth folder also. Remove that navigation component here. Yeah, delete that from here as well. Yes. So here what you can simply do. Can we just use the previous command? Again, the previous command. Yeah. So here you can remove auth forward slash auth and keep only auth because auth folder is already getting generated. Hyphen routing. That's it. And remodify that to generate nggc auth again. Press enter. Yeah. And now do nggc auth. Nggc auth. Yeah. Now this will be perfect. Okay. And now do the same thing. Two times upward arrow. And instead of auth, give it as dashboard. This is basically to create components, routing modules, and all these things through the commands. Okay. This is for everyone. Yes. And press enter and also nggc dashboard. Yeah. Okay. And now what you can simply do, can you just go to the app component.html? Yeah. So here you have something called a router hyphen outlet, right? So let's go to the app routing module. Go to the app routing module. Why those are still there, man? Delete existing things. Delete existing things. Remove complete, yeah, complete things from here. Yeah. Now open brace and close brace, and you can actually define a path. Yeah. So path colon, yeah, single quotations auth. Yeah. And you can basically use load children. There is something called load children. Load children. Yeah, we actually use load children to load the modules. Okay, so app module is a parent module, and all the child modules are called something called auth module, and we do have something called dashboard module. Okay, so here in the load children, you can actually write one lambda anonymous function. So parenthesis, open parenthesis, and close parenthesis. I said open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Keep a arrow after that. Do you keep this inside? Equal to and greater than symbol. I said arrow, man. Equal to and greater than symbol. Yeah. So this is what in Java it basically we write hyphen symbol and arrow, but in JavaScript we actually use equal to and greater than symbol. So it becomes arrow. Okay. And then space import. Write import. Yeah. Select that import. And inside that import, open that parenthesis again. Yeah. So here you can actually, um, keep single quotations, keep single quotations, and then you can actually select dot forward slash. Yeah. So you can actually select auth forward slash auth dot module and come after the parenthesis, come outside the parenthesis and dot do a dot then yes, and then here you can actually open the parenthesis again and you can actually define auth module in small letters. Auth module auth module. Don't select anything. I said auth module, it's a variable. How we actually write? Yeah, space arrow, space arrow. Did I say to come out of the parenthesis first of all section? Where is the parenthesis? Close the parenthesis first. Yeah. And now do auth module dot auth module. Yeah. Dot auth module. That's it. Okay. So this is how we actually select modules to load modules with a lot of components. Okay. So previously we have used path and the component, but in real time we will be using a lot of modules in Angular applications. So we can actually go with this particular approach, which is something called load children, which is actually used to load child modules. Right now we do have app module. Like that, we do have something called auth module and a dashboard module. Okay. So write the same thing for dashboard also. Write the same thing for dashboard. Good. Okay, so now when I enter, right? So when I enter localhost 4200, what do you think? What will get? What will be getting it? Run the application first. We will be getting nothing. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, so let's go to the app routing module and define a default path with empty and redirect that to auth path. This is not how we actually redirect it to, right? So you need to give redirect to small auth in single quotations. Redirect to is URL, right? Huh? Auth, that's it. And path match as full. Path match as full means it has to take localhost 4200 along with auth. That's it. Now, even if you refresh it, nothing will come. Go to that. Yeah. So there is auth. Okay. So now we are actually redirecting to auth module, but there is nothing. Okay. It will come to auth only. Okay. So just go to that auth routing module.ts now. Auth routing module.ts. Go to the auth routing module. And now here there is no path by default, right? So what you can do over here, you can actually define path with empty, path with emptiness. Yeah. And unit, why redirect to, you need to show component only, right? Yeah, show component. What is the component that you need to show? It's a auth component. That's it. Type auth component. How we actually define components? Yeah. Share Baba. This is not a URL, bro. How you can get the auth component directly here? Yeah, that's how we actually use auth component. Yeah, save it and run it and see. Understood? This is how it actually works. Okay. And if you just go to the dashboard, go to the dashboard. No, 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 not like this. / dashboard in the URL. Not here, man, in the browser itself. Why you are changing it here? Go to the browser and remove / auth and directly place, yeah, dashboard, enter it. You're not getting anything, right? Ah, that's it. So do the same changes for this one as well. We will just start with routing as well. Routing module, go to the dashboard module and define the default component over here. Path with empty. What are you doing, my friend? Dashboard module is a component. Remove that unused import also on the top, line number 3. Hmm. Got it? So this is how the routing actually works for the modules also. So here what we are actually doing by default, we just have to take the user to the auth page where we can actually show some components like login component or sign in component. But in real time, we will be using a lot of modules like this. Okay. So right now we do have a auth module, which is a pre-login module, and dashboard module, which is a post-login module. Got it? So anyone has any concerns on this? Anyone? The routing and all this kind of things, first of all. Hmm? Okay, fine then. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to generate some components inside the login. So what we can actually do, just open another terminal, or you can just do Control C. Yeah. And here what you can actually do, you can actually do ngGC. NGGC means it's generate component. Okay. So auth / login. Yes, that's it. Press enter. So now we do have the login component. Okay. Okay. So now I don't have to show the auth works. I just have to show login works. How you can do that, Saksham? Right now you are getting auth works, right? Hmm. So there is something called no, 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 no. Okay. So after auth component, keep comma. After auth component, keep comma. Enter. There is something called child routes. Okay. Children. You can just define children. Yes. And colon. And here will be, it is an array. Children mean there can be multiple children, right? Array. This is not an array, my friend. This is an object. Yes, press enter. And here you can actually define the paths, open brace and close brace, and define the path as login. So in the paths, don't give / nothing like that. So always you need to provide the path only, login, just login. / will not work here. Okay. And the component is login component. So now the task for you, Saksham. So can you just press enter now? Yeah. So now just run the application and see what you are getting. Just open it. Just open it and go. Yeah. Select by default auth, right? It is a auth module, right? ఏం వస్తున్నారా ఎవరు అవునా ఇది ఉత్తరాల బుక్ అయింది కదా ఈ రూమ్ బుక్ అయింది కదా క్లయింట్ బుక్ అయిందా? సరే నేను మాట్లాడతాను. యా ఓకే ఓకే. You'll not be able to get it. Can you just press enter at this present of time localhost 4200? Press enter, it will go to the auth directly. But how you can actually make the login page to come over here? How you can actually do that? Can you just, no, it is not going to work like that, Saksham. What you can do here, think about it, and also you can give the responses. How we can actually, what you are doing, Saksham? What is that auth equal to login? What you are doing? Huh? What is there in the auth component? Do you have app routing module again? Do you have router outlet in there? In that? Do you have router outlet in that auth component .html? Then how it will work? Add outlet over here. Remove that auth works also over here. Remove that p tag. Yeah. Now try it and see. Hmm. Now what is happening? /login. Great, that works. Correct. But I need to, when I enter localhost 4200, right? Everything has to work. It has to forward me to auth /login completely. So how we can actually make that work? Huh? Tell me, man, how we can make it work? Hmm. Show me what you have done in auth routing module.ts. Why path has to, not this one, man, auth routing module, I said. Why you are giving like that? Why you are modifying the path emptiness? Huh? You need to keep that redirection over here. Revert back completely the app routing module.ts. Why you are changing it over here again? According to your specification, you can change. Just do Control Z, man. Do Control Z. That's it. Go to the auth routing module.ts and paste an empty path inside this children and redirect to login directly with path match as full. Define on another path empty, redirect to login, and then path match as full. That's it. That's what you can do. No, you can actually. Arey Baba, how you have done redirect to in the app routing module, my friend's action? Why you are keeping login component here? We never use login component inside redirect to. How you can use that one? Redirect to login, man. What basics you have gone through then? Path match full. Where is the path match then? Give a comma on the top. How it will recognize? Now go and see. You will get the output. That's what I said. Learn these basics. Don't learn topics. That's what I was saying from the beginning. Type localhost 4200. Type localhost 4200. That's it. Everything works. Got it? Yeah. So tomorrow we'll start designing the login component. Why the people are very less over here? I cannot see Suresh also today. I have already explained you about the path match multiple times. Google it and get your answer done. Okay. I explained you on the day one and day two. Again, you are asking what is path match? Huh? What are these silly questions, man? Huh? Path match in the sense, whatever the paths that you are going to define it as localhost 4200. Path match full in the sense, whatever the URL that you are going to use, prefix that with localhost 4200. That is what path match full meaning is. Okay. Yeah. So that's all for today. I think tomorrow we'll have more time to discuss on this. Okay. I think probably there are no candidates today. So I will meet you tomorrow at the same time. Okay. So we'll be completely working on the modules itself. Okay. So going forward. So only these are the modules. One is a pre-login module, which is a auth module, and another one is a post-login module, which is a dashboard module. Okay. That's all for today. I will meet you everyone tomorrow. Okay. Bye and have a great day.